GoPro's action cameras are truly impressive. They're rugged right out of the box and come ready to capture amazing shots in extreme conditions. But when you are ready to upgrade your shooting setup, the best GoPro accessories can help you take your videography to the next level. So in today's video, we have picked the 5 of the best GoPro Hero 10 accessories that will help you take amazing videos.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
Most of the time, we use action cameras in moving scenarios. In that case, the most annoying thing that can happen is the wind noise during fast movement. In that situation, the WindSlayer foam housing wind noise reduction case from VGSON will come in handy. Made of spatial sponge, it is soft, lightweight, portable, and flexible. This case can protect the camera and also reduce wind noise when recording audio and video. It has a precise hole for different components of the GoPro Hero 10, so there's no chance of manipulation of video and audio quality. This case is suitable for climbing, cycling, travel, skiing, and other sports that require wind noise reduction. It won't add any extra weight to your GoPro, so you won't have any trouble during shooting a video. So if you want a professional grade video from your GoPro, then this noise cancellation foam is a must-have accessory. We already know how powerful an action camera can be when it's attached to a perfect accessory. One such powerful tool is the new Snap Mount, an action camera mount compatible with any GoPro and DJI Action. Its finger holes allow you to quickly line up the two magnetic hubs for the quick mounting solutions. The single Snap Mount package includes Snap Mount, quick release backplate, Snap Mount lanyard for added stability, and anodized aluminum thumb screw. It is durable and can stabilize your GoPro in any extreme situation. Furthermore, with its two-bar magnetic compression design, it's easy to attach to shirts, jackets, backpacks, windows, and other metal surfaces that content creators might use. At the same time, the 10-meter waterproofing puts the cherry on top. So instead of switching between dozens of different camera mounts, just get the mount snap to capture the perfect shots. Up next, we have a head strap mount for GoPro Hero 10. Perhaps you're planning to go hiking or cycling on the hills. It will be great to record your journey as a thrilling memory. And to do so, you can rely on the same top head strap mount. This mount is compatible with all the GoPro cameras up to the latest Hero 10. The head strap gives you a hands-free experience and captures footage from the headlamp-like perspective so that you can enjoy the excitement from a first-person view when riding a bike, hiking, ziplining, or snorkeling among tropical fish. It's fully adjustable to fit all sizes and can be worn over a helmet or directly on your head in a headlamp-like position. Its adjustable nylon straps with non-slip rubber inserts create and maintain a proper feed, while durable polycarbonate buckles ensure secure and reliable connections. So whether you want to go on an adventurous trail or record a first-person point of view video, just go for the same top head strap mount without any hesitation. With the Hero 10 flexibility to record 5K video, you'll certainly require more storage than the 32GB or 64GB card that comes standard with the camera when purchased. In that regard, an additional microSD card might come handy. That's why we have come up with the SanDisk Extreme microSD card. Starting from 64GB, the microSD is available up to 1TB storage, but keep in mind that the Hero 10 supports microSD card up to 512GB. You can choose storage variant according to your budget and need. The card has a read speed of 160 MB per second to save time when transferring high-resolution images and 4K Ultra HD videos, while the 90 MB per second write speed unleash fast shooting capabilities. These SD cards are extremely reliable in any condition. They're temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and X-ray proof. Moreover, this card is incompatible with USB 3 and backwards compatible with USB 2. So if you're looking for a fast and reliable storage solution for your GoPro Hero 10, then the SanDisk Extreme microSD card is worth checking out. At last, we have come up with an official GoPro accessory, GoPro the Remote. Controlling your GoPro with your smartphone is a cool trick, but it's not so useful when you're halfway up a mountain and your phone is hidden beneath 3 layers of thermal gear. That's where this remote comes in handy. This tough waterproof remote uses Bluetooth Low Energy for maximum battery life. This technology enables easy pairing with your camera. It features a large high-resolution display that lets you check your camera status at a glance, glove-friendly buttons, and a handy wrist strap. The buttons are large and tactile, which will give you an easy control of camera functions. Compatible with the Hero 8, 9, and 10, plus the Max, GoPro's waterproof remote can control up to 5 cameras wirelessly at a range of 60 meters. GoPro also includes a USB-C cable in case you need to connect the remote with the Wear. Overall, the GoPro remote is a fantastic accessory to consider if you want to use the action camera remotely and without any hassle. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Insight.